Class 9, exercise number 3.6, question number 1. Factorize the following. In this question number 1, we have 6 Roman number. Let's see one by one. The first Roman number is given as x square plus 10x plus 24. See, the coefficient of x square is 1. So 1 into 24 is 24. If you multiple, we need 24. If you sum of the terms, if you add the factor, you need 10. So first of all, we have to write the multiple of 24, 1 into 24, right? Factors of 24, 1 into 24 is 24, and then 2 into 12 is 24, and then 3 into 8 is 24, and then 4 into 6 is 24, and then again we have 6 into 4, 3, 8 into 3 repeated terms, right? So in this term, which two term we have multiple, we get 24, right? All the terms is possible. And then which two term if you add, we get 10 means choose that it is the suitable for the term. So 4 6 are 24. So 4 6 are 24. If we add, we get 10. Therefore the solution x square plus 10x plus 24 is equal to, here the variable is x, so x plus 4, both having the negative positive symbol. So x plus 4 is one of the factor, and then x plus 6 is the another factor. Next we see the second Roman number. See, here is z square plus 4z minus 12 is given. The coefficient of z square is 1. So 1 into 12 is minus 12. If you add, you need 4. See, here we have plus, here we have minus, here we have plus, means surely one of the term is positive and another term is negative. First of all, we have to write the multiple of factors of 12, 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4, and then again the same term, 4 into 3, 6 into 2, and then 12 into 1. Now, in this term, when we multiple, we get 12, right? But when we add, we need 4 means, see the suitable is 2, 6 are 12. And then here we have positive value. So, highest number, the biggest number put plus, and the smaller number put negative. Minus into plus, minus 2 6 are 12. If you subtract this, we get 4. So the solution is z square plus 4z minus 12 is equal to, the one of the factor is, here the variable is z minus 2, another factor is z plus 6, right? Next we see the third Roman number. See, here we have the coefficient of p square is 1. So 1 into 16 is minus 16. If we add, we need minus 6. The possible factors are 1 into 16, 2 into 8, and then 4 into 4. These are the possible of factors. See, here when we multiple, we get surely this one, but here also we have negative number, here also we have negative number. Surely one of the term is negative. 2 8s are 16, right? See, here we have the negative value, so put highest number negative. If it is positive means put highest value positive. It is negative number, put highest value as negative symbol. See, plus into minus minus, 2 8s are 16. If you subtract, we get minus 6. Solution, p square minus 6p minus 16 is equal to, the one of the factor is x plus 2, another factor is x minus 8 is the factor of this term. See, next Roman number 4, t square plus 72 minus 17t. So first we have to rearrange in the standard form. Solution, t square minus 17t plus 72. The coefficient of t square is 1. 1 into 72 is 72. If you add, we need minus 17. So what are the factors of 72 means? 1 into 72, 2 into 36, and then 3 into 24, and then 4 into 18, and then 5 is not possible, then 6 into 12, right? And then 7 is not possible, so 8 into 9, 8 9s are 72. So when we multiple, these are the factors. Here we have the negative value. One of the term is positive. In denominator we have negative means both you have the negative value. So suitable value, when you add we get 17, means this is a suitable value. So 8 and then 9. See, here I put minus, here also I put minus. Plus minus mean put both as negative symbol. So minus into minus plus, 8 9s are 72. If we add we get minus 17. Then the answer is t minus 8 is one of the factor, and then t minus 9 is the another factor for the given expression. Next we see the Roman number 5, y square minus 16y minus 80. So minus 80 is that the constant term, so put in the top, and then the sum of the term is 16. Right? What are the possibilities of 18 means? 180s are 80, 240s are, and then 420s are, 3 is not possible, 420s are. So here itself we get the terms 4 into 20. If you subtract this we get 16, add or subtract, right? So here 4 into 20, here need minus value, so highest value I put minus, plus into minus, minus, 4 into 20 is 80. If you subtract we get minus 16. So solution y square minus 16y minus 8 is equal to, the variable is y plus 4 and then y minus 20 is the factors. Next we see the Roman number 6, a square plus 10a minus 600. So the coefficient of a square is 1. So 1 into 600 is 600. If you add we need 10. We have many factors, that is 1 into 600, 2 into 300, right? 3 into 200, like this. If you have many factors, so the suitable factor for this number is, one of the term is 30, another term is 20. 3 2s are 6 and then 2 zeros, right? 30 into 20 if you put we get 600. But here we need minus, here we need plus. So here we have plus symbol, so the highest number is plus, the smallest number is minus. So plus into minus, minus 20 into 30 is 600. If you subtract this we get 10. So the solution a square plus 10a minus 600 is equal to, the variable is a plus 30, a minus 20 is the factor of this term. If you multiply this factor we get this expression. Thank you, students.